Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel and welcome back to our Korean vocabulary by alphabet series. In this video, we are diving into some must-know Korean words that start with the consonant ing. Now, we have already learned some very important words starting with the letter kyo, nien, tigit, lier, miem, piep, and shield. Now, in this video, let's learn some very important words that start with the letter ing. Now, as we're talking about words starting with ing, so there are many words from everyday objects to people, food, and places. These words, they are super useful whether you are just starting out or brushing up your vocab. So, let's add some new Korean words in our vocabulary list that begin with this letter ing. Now, before we go ahead and learn these words, here is a very important note. When ing is at the beginning of a syllable, then it remains silent and you only pronounce the vowel. For example, look at this word ai. It means child or kid in Korean language. Now you can see that ing is present at the beginning of the syllable and the beginning of the second syllable too. Okay, so in this case, the ing, it remains silent and you only pronounce the vowel. In the first syllable, the vowel is a, and in the second syllable, the vowel is e. So the word it's pronounced as I. Okay, and there is no sound of ing. All right. Now, when ing comes at the end of a syllable, then it is pronounced like ang. For example, look at this word wang. Wang means king in Korean. So here, ing is present at the beginning of the syllable and at the end of the syllable. In the beginning, it remains silent and you only listen to the sound of the vowel and the last letter present in the syllable. So it is wa, ng, wang. So remember, ing can be silent or voiced depending on where it appears in the word. Okay, the position of ing in the word is very important. All right, okay, now let's move ahead and learn Korean words that begin with the letter ing. Woman, 여자, 여자. Clothes, 옷, 옷. Cucumber, 오이, 오이. Father. Now there are two ways to say father in Korean. One is 아버지, 아버지. And the second word is 아빠, 아빠. 아버지 is a formal way to say father and 아빠 is a casual way to say father in Korean. Okay? Mother. Again, there are two ways. 어머니, 어머니 or 엄마, 엄마. 어머니 is a formal way to say mother in Korean and 엄마 is a casual way to refer to your mother. Okay? Doctor, 의사, 의사. Summer. Here we are talking about the season summer. 여름, 여름. Candle, 양초, 양초. Face, 얼굴, 얼굴. Medicine, 약, yak, duck, ori, ori, apartment, apathu, apathu. As you can see, this is a loan word. Okay, it is kind of a short form for apartment, apathu. All right, chef, yorisa, yorisa, doll, inyong, inyong, pencil, yongpil, yongpil, today, onil, onil, yesterday, oche, oche, milk, uyu, uyu, story, yagi, yagi, food, 음식, 음식, sheep, young, young, England or United Kingdom. So here we are talking about the Korean name for England or United Kingdom. That is 영국, 영국. Mouth, 입, 입. Lips, 입술, 입술. Crocodile, 악어, 악어. Umbrella, 우산, 우산. King, 왕, 왕. Queen, 여왕, 여왕. Japan. So the Korean name for the country Japan is 일본, 일본. Foreign country, 외국, 외국. Foreigner, 외국인, 외국인. So foreign country is 외국, and a person belonging to some foreign country is foreigner. So in Korean it is 외국인. Baseball, 야구, 야구. Space or universe, 우주, 우주. Lotus, 연꽃, 연꽃. Monkey, 원숭이, 원숭이. Teeth, 이, 이. Socks, 양말, 양말. Bank, 은행, 은행. Incheon. Incheon is a city located in the northwestern region of South Korea, and it's a very popular and important part of South Korea. So Incheon is itself a Korean name. So let's see how to write it in Korean. It is Incheon. Incheon, a two-syllable word. Okay. Son, 아들, 아들. Vegetable, 야채, 야채. Name, 이름, 이름. Air conditioner, 에어컨, 에어컨. Again, you can see that this is a loan word. Okay? Wife, 아내, 아내. India. So the Korean word for the country India is Indo, Indo. Chair, 의자, 의자. Parrot, 앵무새, 앵무새. Glasses, 안경, 안경. neighbor, youth, youth, orange, orangey, orangey. This one is a loan word, okay, as orangey is the transliteration of this English word orange. Movie, 영화, 영화. Driver, 운전사, 운전사. Pharmacy, 약국, 약국. Older brother, 오빠, 오빠. Oppa is used to refer to your older brother if you are a woman or a girl. Okay? So, a girl or woman refers to her older brother as Oppa. Alright? Older sister, Onni, Onni. Onni is used by a woman or a girl to refer to her older sister. Okay? Onion, 양파, 양파. Wine, wine, wine. Again, you can notice that this is a loan word. Fever, 열, 열. Post office, 우체국, 우체국. Kid or child, 아이, 아이. Corn, 옥수수, 옥수수. Key, 열쇠, 열쇠. Promise, 약속, 약속. Younger sister, 여동생, 여동생. Leaf, 잎, 잎. Human, 인간, 인간. Ice cream, 아이스크림, 아이스크림. This one is also a loan word. Goat, 염소, 염소. Divorce, 이혼, 이혼. Ice, 얼음, 얼음. Pig, 완두콩, 완두콩. Kite, 연, 연. Music, 음악, 음악. History, 역사, 역사. Prince, 왕자, 왕자. Cabbage, 양배추, 양배추. Squid, 오징어, 오징어. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. We have covered some very essential Korean words that start with ing. And I believe we have covered almost 70 plus words. So it's a long list. But we all know that there are so many more words. So can you think of other Korean words that begin with ing? If so, then do share them in the comments below and let's make this list even longer. Don't forget to like and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next letter in our series. Thank you.